to my channel, Muskan this side. And if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you and I want to let you know that on this channel we talk about law of attraction, manifestation, spirituality, self-development and so much more. If you're new, I want to welcome you with all my heart. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about the mistakes which people make while practicing law of attraction, and people say that the law is just not working for them. I want to let you know that this law is universal and you just cannot say that the law of gravity is not working, right? Law of gravity is working 24/7. If I'm gonna make anything fall from here, it is by law and hence the thing is bound to fall. Hence, so is the thing which goes for law of attraction. Law of attraction is again a law which is universal and which is working 24/7. You are manifesting 24/7 either consciously or unconsciously. So if you say that law of attraction is not working for me, you are not letting it work for you. So coming to the mistakes which people usually make while manifesting or while practicing law of attraction. Number one, intention setting or goal setting. People do not know what they want. For you to get the thing that you want, you have to be clear. You have to be as specific as you can, and you have to be as crystal clear as you can, because I've seen people out there who say that they want money, but when you want money, there's a certain set of principles behind which money work. If you want money, you have to be specific how much amount it is that you want, what are you going to do with money, how you're going to feel when you get the money. So you just can't vaguely say that I want money. It doesn't work that way. If you want something, you have to be as clear and specific to it. You have to demand to the universe that this is what I want and this is what I'm going to do with it. So you really have to be clear with what it is that you want. Now, I cannot tell you on your behalf what it is that you want, but what I can tell you is that you can have multiple desires at the same point of time. Like, it's not something, it's not a law or something that you have to pray for one thing only. You can ask for multiple things. So you have to be crystal clear as to what it is that you want. Number two, gratitude. Expressing gratitude for the things that you do not have yet emits a frequency out there in the universe which is magnificent, terrific and powerful, and that is when the thing just attracts towards you. Gratitude is the most absolute frequency out there which you can emit in the universe. Even if you do not do any kind of techniques or visualization or affirmations, if you practice gratitude, I cannot, the thing is just cannot resist from yourself, because when you are being grateful for the things that you already have or for the things that you want, you literally are inspiring the entire universe that I am grateful, and being grateful is the powerful frequency out there which you can emit. So yes, people usually are not grateful for the things that they want or for the things that they have in the now, and that is the worst kind of mistake that they can do. Okay, so moving on, number three mistake is that I have seen people that they try to, be happy or be in the feeling of already having that thing 24/7, even if they're not having it yet, and that is what makes them more miserable. So what I'm trying to say is, when you want something, you will do your visualization and your techniques of the thing already having it. You'll be grateful for it, but as a human, it is not possible for you to 24/7 be happy for it. Like, with practice it will come to you, but if you are a beginner, it is just not possible for you to stay happy 24/7 and ignoring all the other things which are happening in your life. So even if you are emitting out that frequency of already having the things for like even few minutes of your day, for like 10 minutes or maybe 15 minutes a day, and when you are gradually increasing it, it is absolutely all right, because I'm not asking you to stay happy or positive 24/7, because it is just not possible, because everyone is a human and human experiences waves of emotions, and in the waves comes happiness as well as disappointments, as well as cheerfulness, as well as sadness. So yes, I want you to be happy like 50 or 60% of your day, because you are being happy majority of your time. Anything which is more than 50% is majority, and when you are being happy or you are emitting that frequency of happiness of already having it for majority of your time, it is absolutely all right. The thing is gonna come to you. So yes, I think that's it for today's video. I have a Telegram group where I share my learnings, and you can subscribe to the group. You can join the group. I'll leave the link here in the description. If you like this video, you can like it, you can comment on the video, you can let me know your thoughts, your opinions, your feedbacks. It really matters to me. You can share this video with your friends who might need it, and you can subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Also hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for the love which you have been pouring upon me. It really means a lot to me. And yes, I'm super grateful. I love you. Until next time, stay happy, stay positive, keep your vibrations way up. This is Muskan Mehra signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.